irrespective of the vehicle category, the Indian consumer has a very high priority for fuel efficiency, a very high priority. And in fact, we have made that campaign, if you remember, Kitna Deti Hai, where, people who are buying yachts and all also ask how Kitna Deti Hai. Or, the new campaign of fuel efficiency, Kam Se Kam. So, yani you can get more mileage out of a smaller amount of fuel. So, fuel efficiency is actually a very big criteria. And this car serves that purpose. It's got 26.68 kilometers to the liter, which is unheard of in a petrol car. And that is why it is the number one in the industry in terms of fuel efficiency as far as petrol cars are concerned. Yeah, so semiconductor shortage, as you rightly pointed out, is actually a global shortage. So it's not related to one country, one supplier or one OEM. All OEMs across the world are affected, so has also Maruti Suzuki been affected. And but things are getting better. And you would have noticed that, in September, we had informed the stock exchange, we will be producing 40% of our planned production. In October, we said we will be doing 60%. In November, we have informed that we'll be doing 85% plus. So I think if you see the trajectory, there seems to be an improvement as far as and I'm not going to speculate on the exact time when it will become normal, because it's a global issue and there's a global supply chain involved in it. So only thing I can say is getting better. And as regards the Celerio waiting times, of course, the launch happens not for 1 month or one particular day. So obviously it's for a long period of time, and hopefully we will get over that semiconductor shortage in some time, and we therefore stuck to our plan of launching the Celerio on this date. Yeah, so if you recall, it was first launched in 2014 Auto Expo. I think it was January 2014, and since then it has actually made a big place for itself in the mid-hatch segment. In fact, it has individually, it gets about 20%, 22% market share in the mid-hatch segment. And so far, we have sold 5.9 lakh, almost 6 lakh vehicles so far in these last 7 years. So it's been very successful for us. And this success of Celerio is also important, because although we have WagonR in this segment, which is also a very successful car, this has helped us in getting almost 72% of the market share in the mid-hatch segment. And in the overall hatch segment, it has helped us get almost 65-66% market share. The last 5-6 years, the hatchback percentage has remained more or less same. It's been about between 45 to 47%. Last year, it was 46%. So that has remained pretty same. And I think the reason is because the demography of our country, the younger people who come into the workforce, the first-time buyers, that there is a huge inflow as well. So this first-time buyer has remained almost like in that range of 48-50%, and so has also the hatchbacks. And that is why the segment last year was also the largest segment in the entire industry. So that is how I have seen the evolution of the hatchback. And in fact, you'll be very surprised probably to know that the largest numbers which are sold of the Celerio in the past have been in the city of Pune and in Hyderabad, in Bangalore. And we were just analyzing that because it normally doesn't happen that Pune has got the largest number of sale of any model. So we were analyzing a lot of these techies who in the software industry, young people, they have been buying the Celerio. And that is why Hyderabad or Bangalore or Pune, they have had such a great share of the Celerio. And I expect with this car, the newer, younger people in our cities will definitely prefer this car in a much bigger way.